Okay. When the glove box is like this, it's pull on it, it will pop out. And you have to get these 4 screws, screw here, screw there, and 2 screws in the bottom, okay? So those are the screws that need to come out. You can maybe leave these hanging. I suggest make this lighter or support the glove box so you don't break anything, okay? The whole glove box came out, so this is what we are looking at. This is the lip that the glove box goes on. The other side has the same lip. I don't know if you see the lip. Let me put some light on it. And the other side going to be a problem. It's going to crack because everything is fragile. Alright.